Fetch Rewards needs camera access to scan receipts, so a blocked camera permission is one of the first things to check when the scanner stops working. By the end, you'll know how to fix Fetch Rewards camera scanning problems, check the settings that control scanning, and troubleshoot the most common issues without reinstalling the app immediately. The first step is checking camera permission. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Fetch Rewards, and make sure camera access is allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, find Fetch Rewards and confirm that the camera permission is turned on. If camera access is disabled, the app cannot use your phone camera to scan receipts. The second step is checking your camera itself. Open your regular phone camera and test whether it focuses correctly. If your phone camera works normally but Fetch Rewards does not scan, the problem is more likely connected to the app settings, app data, or the receipt scanning process. Next, check that the receipt is clear and readable. The camera needs to capture the important details on the receipt, including the text and information required for processing. Place the receipt on a flat surface, use good lighting, and keep the camera steady while scanning. If the scanner still does not work, close Fetch Rewards completely and open it again. Restarting the app can fix temporary issues that prevent features from loading correctly. You can also check whether the Fetch Rewards app has an available update. Updating the app can resolve problems caused by older app versions. If you use Android, clearing temporary app cache data may help with app performance issues. The exact steps depend on your phone model and Android version. If you reinstall Fetch Rewards, make sure you know your login details before removing the app. This helps you access your account again after installation. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Fetch Rewards needs a working connection for parts of the scanning and reward process to function correctly. The best troubleshooting order is simple. Check camera permissions, test your phone camera, improve receipt quality, restart the app, and update Fetch Rewards if needed. To summarize, camera permissions control whether Fetch Rewards can scan receipts, clear receipt images, improve scanning accuracy, and app updates or restarts can fix temporary problems. Your next step is to open your phone settings and confirm that Fetch Rewards has camera access enabled. If this guide fixed your scanner issue, like the video and subscribe for more Rewards app troubleshooting guides.